All right, I'm going to give another little test flight. Looks like I got a little more than about 60% charge. So I'm going to fly off over the hills that way, upwind. So it's going to suck up a lot of battery juice going that way, but we're going to see how it goes. Okay, taking off. Whoa, a lot of wind, a lot of wind. Look at it struggle. Got the sniffles. Strong wind warning. Aircraft unable to return to home automatically. So it says we're down to like 8 minutes. I'm going to hold it right there. Give it this little scan and pan. Now we're up to 12 minutes. Ooh, I think the wind's kicking its butt up there. I'm going to keep going out. I'm only out about 500 feet. And take a little peek into the valley next to us here. We're out about 800 feet now. Now right above the hill here, the ridge line. Little this side of the ridge line. We go just a touch farther. More strong wind warning. But I mean, look at it. Look how stable it still is, even with the strong wind warning. I think that's pretty awesome. I'm going to try to gimbal down. Looks like I'm right above the rocks. Probably not too far. Okay. So fly off this way. Oh, we got a big gust of wind coming now. Woo! Another strong wind warning. Now it's funny because it's upwind. I can actually still hear it, and it's 1,000 feet away. So we're going to swing back around. So we got the strong wind warnings. Gonna fly out to the road and then come up the road. Lower my elevation. Whoop. That was me. Okay, I'm gonna do try to do a flyby. I got 9 minutes left, so I got a couple minutes left before I need to really land it. Another strong wind warning. Whoop. And do another flyby. Sounds like it's struggling up there, poor thing. There it goes. I really gotta learn. I'll get used to it in time. Okay. We're bringing her in. Whew, that wind is making my eyes water. So anyway, there we are. You can see it's struggling. Oh, wrong way, wrong way. I'm still going to try to land her on the table. Oh, too far. Barely made it. I had like an inch back there. All right. So yeah, that was intense. No, not really. I did okay. Probably should have turned the table this way with the wind, so I had more of a runway. Anyway, thanks for watching.